What's up, guys? We're here at the powder coating spot. Frame is stripped. We got it here so they could dip it in acid, take off all this shit, and then you take it back. We're gonna do the gussets, weld all these points right here. We have gussets that go in certain points at the weak points of the bike. We'll weld that and then bring it back and get it powder coated. But I'm about to go check the colors out right now. All right, y'all. Look, I got the frame so y'all can see it. Strip. The whole thing is stripped. Now we're gonna get the gussets that weld on. It's just a bracket that link these two just to make this, it just reinforce this, just how this, basically how this is reinforcing this. They're just a little bit thicker than this material, and they go right here in the corners, and I think one even goes right here on this side just to protect it. So I wanted to show y'all the gussets. This one goes in the frame and you weld it, so like that it reinforces it.
No, ahí no se está poniendo.
Está quedando ahora.
No es rápido, man. No es los 5 minutos que usted dice. No los 5 minutos que dice usted, pero
Just wanted to show y'all where we at, so y'all can see the gussets welded on. See, like this is factory. See how thin that is? Now look at this one. That one still got to get tacked on there. But yeah, man.